Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to make a rectangular pencil model. So I have already made the model and you see this I have taken the base side is equal to 4 centimeter. This is square base 4 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter and this is a square pyramid. So I have taken slant height is 5 centimeter. Okay, let us start the neck diagram. And this one very much useful for the mathematical project and science projects. A square pyramid and a cuboid. So as the side is 4 centimeter, so that the perimeter of the side that is equal to 16 centimeter. So for this I have to draw the 16 centimeter and let me say that for this we require chart paper, scissor, Fevicol, colors and compass. So I have taken 16 centimeter length. So 16 centimeter and this is 4, 8, 12, 16. So perimeter of the side is 16 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. So here is the 15 centimeter and this one 16 centimeter. So here is 4, 8, 12. Okay, now here are to join this one. Now this one I'll do A, B, C, D, A. This one A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash. So this one 15 centimeter, this one 15 centimeter, this one 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, so each 4. Now I'll join this one. So this one, now we'll draw a square. So breaking 4 centimeter side. So this one C, so this one B, this one A, this one 4, 4, 4. Now this is a lower border and then a side border. And then this one. Now taking side equal to 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. You have to draw . So here we'll join this one. So here now border. Okay, so this one O, 5 centimeter. So now we'll cut the net diagram. So this way. So after cutting the net diagram, a rectangular pencil model. So I have to fold those sides. This one after cutting and folding you will get like this. So this is cuboid and this one square pyramid. Okay, you can increase the height, you can change the sides, look like this. Now after pasting with glue, so this is our rectangular pencil model ready. So this height is 4 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter and this slant height is 5 centimeter. So this type model can be used for the mathematical project, science project and social science project. Thank you.